Imagine you have a tiny, furry friend called a chipmunk. It's a little animal that looks like a squirrel but smaller, with big bright eyes and a fluffy tail. Now, picture this chipmunk sitting very still on your hand, ready to eat some bright red cranberries you're offering. The chipmunk notices the cranberries. The chipmunk's nose twitches as it smells the sweet, tangy cranberries. Its little whiskers wiggle, and its eyes focus carefully on the shiny red berries in your palm. Reaching out with tiny hands. Slowly, the chipmunk lifts one of its tiny paws. It's so small and delicate, almost like a little hand. It reaches out gently to grab a cranberry. Grabbing the cranberry. The chipmunk's fingers curl around the cranberry, holding it carefully so it doesn't drop. You can see its little claws gripping the berry softly but firmly. Bringing the berry to its mouth. Next, the chipmunk slowly brings the cranberry up to its mouth. Its cheeks puff out a little as it prepares to nibble. Nibbling the cranberry. The chipmunk's tiny teeth start to nibble on the cranberry's skin. You can almost see the berry squish a little as it bites. The slow motion shows how carefully it chews, savoring the taste. Enjoying the sweetness. After a few nibbles, the chipmunk swallows the cranberry piece. Its eyes look happy and satisfied, like it just had a yummy treat. Repeating the process. Then, it reaches out again for another cranberry, repeating the same gentle, careful motions. Each berry is a little treasure to this tiny animal. Why this is special to watch in slow motion. Watching a chipmunk eat cranberries in slow motion helps us see all the tiny details we usually miss because chipmunks move so fast. You can see how careful and gentle they are with their food, how their paws work like little hands, and how much they enjoy their snack.